Okay, for now, kasagutan na natin ang ating practice exercises. Okay? So, number 1. Extracting square roots tayo, no? So, a squared is equal to 64. Lipat na sa kabila, isolate yung quadratic term. And then, square root ng 64. Positive, negative, 8. Okay? So, check for x equals 8. A pala. So, a squared minus 64 is equal to 0. 8 squared minus 64 is equal to 0. 64, sinabi. 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. For a is equal to negative 8. So a squared minus 64 is equal to 0. Negative 8 squared minus 64 is equal to 0. Magiging 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. Therefore, ang ating solution set A is equal to positive, negative, 8. Number 2. So, again, isolate the quadratic term. 3x squared is equal to 27. Divide both sides by 3. So, x squared is equal to 27 over 3 is 9. So, that will be x is equal to positive, negative, 3. Ngayon, substitute. Check. For x equals 3. 3 times 3x squared minus 27 is equal to 0. Magiging 3 times 3 squared minus 27 is equal to 0. So 3 times 9 minus 27 is equal to 0. 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. Ngayon, for x equals negative 3. 3 times negative 3 squared minus 27 is equal to 0. 3 times 9 minus 27 is equal to 0. So, 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. Therefore, ang ating solution set will be positive, negative, 3. Number 3. So, isolate the quadratic term. Yung coefficient niya, i-divide natin ng 2. Kaya magiging x plus 3 squared is equal to 9. Square root ng 9. X plus 3 is equal to positive, negative 3. Solve for x in terms of positive 3. Tapos yung isa naman, negative 3 with respect to negative 3. X plus 3 is equal to 3. X plus 3 is equal to negative 3. Lipat yung 3. X is equal to 3 minus 3. X is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 3 minus 3. X is equal to negative 6. Substitute. Check. For x equals 0. 2 times x plus 3 quantity squared is equal to 18. Divide, substitute 0. 2 times 0 minus 3 squared is equal to 18. 2 times negative 3 squared is equal to 18. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 18. Check for x equals negative 6. 2 times negative 6 plus 3 squared is equal to 18. 2 times negative 3 squared is equal to 18. So 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 18. Therefore, our solution set will be 0 and negative 6. Number 4. Lipat natin yung 32. 2 times x plus 5 squared is equal to 32. Divide both sides by 2. Magiging x plus 5 squared is equal to 16. Square root 16. X plus 5 is equal to positive negative 4. Okay? Ngayon, solve for x na positive 4 yung isa, tapos negative 4 naman. So, x is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to negative 1. Sa kabila naman, x is equal to negative 4 minus 5. X is equal to negative 9. So, check. Check for x equals negative 1. 2 times x plus 5 quantity squared minus 32 equals 0. 2 times negative 1 plus 5 squared minus 32 is equal to 0. 2 times 4 squared minus 32 is equal to 0. So 2 times 16 minus 32 is equal to 0. 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. And then, yung isa naman, for x equals negative 9. So 2 times negative 9 plus 5 squared minus 32 is equal to 0. 2 times negative 4 squared minus 32 is equal to 0. 2 times 16 minus 32 is equal to 0. So, 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. Therefore, ang ating solution set will be negative 1 and negative 9. Number 5, last item. Okay. So, for the last item, ang mangyayari dito kasi, iba yung magiging usual na sagot niya. So, tignan natin. I-divide muna natin by 2. So, magiging 3x minus 5 squared is equal to 48 divided by 2 is 24. Okay. So, wala to dun sa dun sa lesson talaga natin. Pero sasagutan na natin siya. Okay. So, square root natin yung 24. 3x minus 5 is equal to the square root of 24. Ngayon, hindi kasi perfect square ang 24. So, kailangan natin i-factor yung 24 na merong isang perfect square factor. So, square root natin yung 24. Ano yung factors ng 24? Pwede siyang 4 times 6. Isa ay perfect square, isa ay hindi. Substitute natin dito. So, 3x minus 5 is equal to the square root of 4 times 6. Magiging, ano na siya? 3x minus 5 is equal to square root ng 4, lalabas yan, magiging 2 square root of 6. Okay, para mas madali sa inyo yung pag-simplify ng ganitong number, merong ibang video na pwede niyo panoorin para ma-recall kayo sa pagsusod ng pagkuha ng square root ng ng numbers na hindi perfect square. Okay? So, continue. So, this will become 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5 is equal to positive negative 2 square root of 6. Continue lang natin. Ilipat sa kabila yung 5. 3x minus 5 is equal to positive negative, positive muna, 2 square root of 6. At saka 3x minus 5 is equal to negative 2 square root of 6. Kaya magiging 3x is equal to 2 square root of 6 minus plus 5. So 3x is equal to, unahin natin yung walang radical. 5 minus 2 square root of 6 all over. Divide both sides by 2. Plus pala yan. Magiging x is equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6 over 2. Ito rin isa. Magiging 3x is equal to negative 2 square root of 6 plus 5. Divide, magiging 3x is equal to 5 minus 2 square root of 6. Divide both sides by 3. Magiging x is equal to 5 minus 2 square root of 6 over 2. Therefore, ang final answer, pwede natin pagsamahin yan. Pwede siyang maging x is equal to 5 plus minus 2 square root of 6 over 2. Okay, for example number 5, magkakaroon tayo ng iba pang lesson video para i-discuss itong klase ng equation meron dito sa equation number 5. So I hope na nakuha ninyo kahit papano yung numbers 1 to 4. So good luck with your lesson. Like, share, and comment your suggestions on the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe. To get notified with our latest videos, just click the notification bell.